Yeah, so this is our AI agent backend code. So first, what we have done is we have used BART model. It is by Facebook for summarizing. So first code is that we are using logging for. So the BART model first downloads it for once, and to stop the re-downloading, we have used logging feature. Then how we are scraping the website is that we first connected to the MongoDB database. It is yeah. So let me show you the database. It is the database. It has the features ID, date, heading, image URL, article URL, and the summary, which is in the array format. Yeah. So we have some pre-data. So let me just show you the backend again. So we are just scraping the data from Times of India for now, but we can add much more news websites for it. So this is our extract function. In this we are using the beautiful soup library to just scrape the data from the HTML of the website. Now this is the to get the latest news, we are using the date function in the web scraper to just sort down all that. And now this is an optional feature. We are hard coding it to Ranchi, but in place of it, we can use any city like Jamshedpur or any of the Indian cities we can add. Now this is the article details. It is also fetching all the required datas from it, like dates and number of lines, and also the links present in that website. So this is the new summarized news feature. So we are using this as you can see, this is using the BART model. So BART model, what it is doing is it is formatting all the content of the website into just 4 lines, 4 or 5 lines, and sending it to an array. So this is the MongoDB connection to it. Yeah, so let me show you by running this agent. So this is the time we run the agent, and if we run it for once, it will just process and process and will never stop processing. So yeah, it is connecting to the library of Hugging Face and importing all the models for once. Yeah, so it has gone to the Times of India website, and it found 40 articles on that website, 40 new articles. Actually, it was 49 in total, but as you can see, we have nine of it in the database. So now the 41 are remaining. So what it is doing is the articles which are pre-fetched on the database, then it is not fetching all those. So yeah, as you can see, it has stored one articles about the 10 pilgrims from Bengal injured, all this. So let me just show you it in the database. It has came. Yeah, so it is now 10. It is now 10 one data has added. As you can see, this is the one, 10 pilgrims has been added. uh, so yeah, it will work and do all the data points. So let me now show you the our front end side. Yeah, so it is made in Next.js for better SEO optimization. So this is npm. We have run this in the local host. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the one. So let me just refresh it for once. Yeah, as you can see, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 of the data points are in there, and it is also in the descending order. Like the dates are arranged in the descending order, like the news which are of previous dates are at the bottom, and the new dates will be at the top. So the 12 news has come to the database. Now let me just show you if any new data enters. So now 13 data has entered. So let me just show you, it has got updated in the website autonomously. Yeah, so there are 3 3 6 7 8 9 10 12 and 13 14. Yeah, so one has more entered the database. Yes, so it is in the you can see the post is in the format, like it is heading, a catchy heading, then the 3 or 4 key points of the news in a summarized format from that BERT model. We have in MongoDB also the actual article URL. As you can see, this is scraped from Times of India, City Ranchi Rare Stamp Exhibition. We can also use the actual article in the news in this card type format. And this is the Ranchi. We have selected it And we can also we will add some feature like selecting more cities, so it will connect with the backend and send the data according to this can be done actually, as you can see here in the front part. Yes, so here we can also add Jamshedpur and all, so it will just fetch that only. Yeah, so now as you can see, the scraping cycle has ended and it will check for the data which is missing in the next cycle, and it will automatically add it. So let me just delete one data. Let's say we are deleting the city lights one data. So let me delete it. Yeah, so let me just show you that it has been deleted from the website also. So yeah, this is the city light one. Let me refresh it. Yeah, so it has gone now from the front end side. So let me also show you one thing. This is the middle deployment, first version of the deployed website one. So let me just show you the SEO ranking of it. So we have copied it. Yeah, just let me paste it once. Yeah, so as you can see, 98 is our SEO score in the first version of the deployed next app. Yeah, this was the one. Yeah, so it has started automatically the new scraping cycle. It found one new article, and we know that it was the City Lights one. So it will automatically run and add all that. Mm. We could also have used the Gemini models or the large language models, but it would be highly computable, and the summary is pretty nice in the BERT model. So we have used, yeah. So it has added that satellite one as, and all completed new scraping cycle. It is waiting for the next cycle. So let me just show you it has added in the database. So it has added city lights in the end, and still it will come in the descending order in the website. Let me just show you again. So we just refresh. Actually, it is refreshing every 30 seconds, but since we are recording, so we are refreshing. Yeah, so as you can see, the city lights has been added from according to the date. It is first 25th Feb, then 24th Feb, and it runs automatically, checking every cycle.